Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Data with Divyanka. So our today's topic is Python visualization. This is our third visual in Python visualization series. So our third visual is a pie chart. In this tutorial, we create a pie chart from the scratch to using Jupyter Notebook and Matplotlib library. And if you've not seen previous visuals, so kindly check that tutorials. Now I'm going to import pandas and matplotlib library. So import pandas as pd from matplotlib, import pyplot as plt. Our visual name is distribution of values for different countries. So let's start the visual. So first create slices. This is random number 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. So what is the slices? This list contains the numerical values for each slice of the pie chart. Okay. Now I'm going to add labels. So this is country name. So 5 countries: Pak, China, England, UAE and India. Okay. Then I'm going to add colors. Okay. So you can use this website for the random color names. Website provide you n number of codes of the colors. So I already choose 5 colors. Okay, that's it. Then I'm going to add plot pie slices, then labels. Labels is equal to labels, then colors is equal to colors. Okay. So colors, this list contain hexadecimal color code for each slice. These colors will be used to distinguish your different slices. Okay. Then plt dot title layout, then title, countries, then our grid lines is 2. Okay. So plt.py is function to create pie chart. It takes in the slices, labels, explode, shadow and other optional parameters. Okay. We will be see some explode and shadow after some time. Then the plt.title layout, this adjusts the layout of the plot to prevent clipping of the labels. Then grid, add the grid to the plot for better readability. And then plt.show is display the pie chart. Now plt.show display our pie chart. Okay. Now I'm going to execute this. Okay. So this is our simple pie chart. Now we add exploding shadows in this pie chart to make it more attractive. Now I'm going to add explode 0.3, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. So explode. Now I'm going to separate this part from the other countries. So that's why I'm using explode. Now I'm going to add some more parameters in plt.py. Okay. So it's explode is equal to explode. Then shadow is true. Then wedge is edge color. Okay. we use white color for the edge. Then line width, it's 2. Okay. So now after adding all parameters, so I'm going to execute this. So yes, this is our final chart. Okay. So this is exploded. Okay, Pak is exploded from the other countries. Okay, this is visual shadow, and the line width is 2 as specified here. Okay, and edge color is white. Okay, you can see edge is white. Okay, you can use black, white, anything. Okay, as per your choice. You can use other colors. Okay, do practice. So friends, if you like this tutorial, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more tutorials.